In this video, you can learn how to set up Forwarder webmail to your Gmail account. Once we log into GoDaddy account, we need to go to the cPanel settings page. Here in product page, we need to click web hosting. And again, we need to click the cPanel admin tab on this cPanel page. Now we are in cPanel settings page. Here, you need to click Forwarders options under email section. Next, in the Forwarders page, click this Add Forwarder button to set up forwarding email. Here, we can set up the new Forwarder email account. In the first field, type in your name or the prefix address of the email account you intend to forward. And here, you need to select the domain name for which you created the email account. In my case, it's jonah@designapage.com. Next, in the destination email field, type in the Gmail account where the website emails are to be forwarded to. And done settings the forwarding email account. You can confirm if the forwarding email setup is working perfectly by sending an email to the business website email from an external email account. You can see the email has been received in the website email. And again, the same has been forwarded to the Gmail account we have set up as the forwarder email account. With this we are done with the video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get video updates when new content is added. How to set up Forwarder webmail or website email or business email to your Gmail account.